Hi there, today we're showcasing 5041 Hartwell, which is in the community of Lakeshore at Narcoossee. This is a 6-bedroom, 4-bath home in this community. I'll just pan a little bit around. They are doing new construction here just in the final phases. That waterfront back there, that's actually Fells Cove. There's a huge dock that connects you to Fells Cove, and then Fells Cove actually connects to Lake Toho. So let's go ahead and go in. I want to show you the inside here. Here we go. So we're coming in, and you can see right from when you walk in the door just the gorgeous views of the water out there. So it's a great open floor plan. So first of all, we have to our left, it actually is a bedroom number 6. They're currently using as a home office. Then we have a bath right here for the main floor. And then just off to the right, it's super convenient because we have this pocket door here, and we actually have 2 bedrooms and a bath. So it's set up really nice. You can use it for like an in-law suite. That was 1 bedroom. Here is the full bath. And then we have another bedroom right here that's currently being used as a little sitting area. So, and again, this has a pocket door, so we can just go in and out of there, and it's very private, so that's nice. You could use that for kids, an in-law suite, guests, whatever. So we continue in, and here we've got the formal dining space, family space. Again, look at those views. Here is our breakfast area. Kitchen has got gorgeous granite. Really nice dark cabinets. That's a huge corner pantry right there. Just want to show you out over here. We've got a large lanai, the pond and the clubhouse, so gorgeous views. Here's our family space. Let me back up a little so you can see kind of the whole thing. So really nice open area. So off the kitchen is this little area right here. Could do a little butler's pantry. You got your laundry room, folding table. That goes out to the garage. So come back in, and this plan has the master bedroom on the main floor, which we're going to now. Huge master. And then it's got the master bath with that humongous shower right there. Walk-in closet, toilet room, double sinks. So we'll continue on. That's the main floor. And again, here's that formal dining space. Here's the stairs to go up. This is the foyer area if you're looking at it from this way. So we have that office, bathroom, and then the guest suite with 2 bedrooms and a bathroom behind the sliding door there again. So now we're gonna head upstairs. So Lakeshore at Narcoossee is a gated community. Pulte Homes is just finishing out. And this home here is just very gently used in, so it's fantastic. So first we have this huge bonus room at the top of the stairs. Then we have 2 additional bedrooms and a bath up here. It's the first bedroom. The second bedroom, and then the full bathroom for upstairs. So in addition to the loft with the pool table, we have this room right here with double doors that can be used as, make a guest suite up here. They're currently using it for a theater room. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. And again, this is Cindy.